so game natin ngayon ay Barangay Babaw versus Barangay 7B. Okay, jump ball. Iya, ang bilis naman. Basket count. Anong nangyari? Sa kalaban pala na iso. Ay, salamat. Salamat po. Okay. Ayun, kontik na pumastil ni number 5. Okay. Oh. Yan. Ay, naku, yun. Steal po ni number 5. Derecho, number 13. Taking the shot. Okay, offensive rebound. Number 5. Handling the ball. Pinasa kay number 14. Outside. Green ball. Number 11, pass to number 99. Number 11 taking a shot. Bang! Okay. Basket. Number 9. Oh! May foul. Push. Number 99. Oh, there's a steal. Dribbling the ball. Wow, grabe, binalit. Oh, outside. Okay. Oh! Ay, rebound. Ay, number 5. Ang ganda naman ang depensa doon. Ang lupit. Iyon, ang ganda na pasa. Counted. Counted foul. Yeah. Bonus shot for number 9, Malaki. Ready to? Counted. Completing the 3-point play. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Yun, ang ganda ng pasa naman. Grabe naman yun. What a pass. Number 5 again, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3. Bam! 3 points. Napakalupit. Yan. Number 99, handling the ball. Drumay po. Ang ganda ng pasa sa loob. Oh, jump ball. Kanino po ang bola? Okay. Number 3, pass to number 9. Pass to number 5. Yo, taking the shot. Bam! 3 points by number 13. Oh, outside po. Nalakas yung pasa. Okay, number 14. Pass to number 5. Shot again. Rebound. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Oy, block. There's a block. Substitution. Ayan. Oh, labas lang po. Pumasok ang papasok. Number 11 taking the shot. Nice. Basket count. Number 5 again, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 14. Number 3. Number 9. Oh, traveling. Number 9. Number 11, dribbling the ball, pass to number 2. Number 18 taking the shot, basket counts. Yan, number 14 po, may dalawang bola. Pass to number 3. Number 14 again. Holding the ball. 5 seconds in shot clock. 3. Oh. Hindi mo na yung shot clock. Oh. Last steal po. Ang ganda naman ng mga pasang yun. Napakalupin. Ay, number 11 again. Handling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Oh, number 6. Pass to number 11. Bam! 3 points. Ay, number 13. Oh! Na-steal po. Na-steal. Okay. Number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Ayun. Ganda ng pasa. Ay. Oh. Foul. Yun. Number 11 ang foul. First foul. And number 11. Number 14. 15 seconds shot clock. Taking the 3. Ang layo nun. Grabe, oh. Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass to number 13. Malate taking the shot. Air ball. Number 11, taking a shot, 3 points. Wow. Number 3, rebound. Number 14, handling the ball. Oh. Okay, number 14, pass to number 5. 5 seconds shot clock. Good. Oh, there's a steal. Oh, traveling. There's a travel. Substitution. Okay. 11. Pass. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 19, pass to number 11. Ang ganda naman ng pasang yun. Napakalupit. Wow. Dribbling the ball is number 14. Pass to number 5. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 9. Uy, sayang. Pasa. Substitution. Yan, pasok lang po at labas po ang number 3. Okay. Okay, number 11. Dribbling the ball again. Binababa po. Pass sa number 2. Number 11 again. Taking a drive. Ganda ng assist. Oh. 10 10-second shot na. Oh, reset na. Fast break, number 5. Uy. Foul. There's a foul. Number 11 ang foul. Second personal foul by number 11. Oh, kala natin still na. Yeah, number 9. Delay up. Ay, there's a fast break. Basket counts. Napakabilis. Okay. Number 5. Pass to number 14. Dali-dali pong binaba. Ay, naku, naiwan. Oh, same ball. Time out. Barangay 7B. Okay, bola po ng Barangay 7B. Yo. Okay. Number 5. Pass to number 14. Taking the shot. Number rebound. Oh. Offensive foul by number 9. Offensive foul. Okay, number 11 ulit. Kinaba ang bola. Pass to number 19. Ang ganda ng pasa. May foul. That's a counted foul. Basket counts po yun, ha? Yes, basket count po yun. Meron po tayong bonus free throw by number 6. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 14. Oh. Ang ganda ng pasa. Counted by number 24. By number 11 ulit. 50-second shot clock. Foul. Number 24. First personal foul. Substitution po ref. Pasap daw po. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. 10-second shot clock. Wow naman. Ay, sana. Sayang. Oh. May foul. 24. Foul po. Second personal foul by number 24. Oh, ganda na steal. Okay, number 14. Wow, side step. Oh. Offensive foul. Push. Third personal foul by number 24. Tatlo na po yun. Penalty. Penalty. So we have 49 seconds remaining sa ating pong ano. Yan, basket counts. First free throw by number 18. Second shot. Yo, sana po. Number 9. Pinasa kay number 14. Oh, saving the ball. Galing naman. Oh, aba. Ay talaga, kanya-kanyang steal. Ayan, nakuha na. Number 2 yata ito. Number 2 nga. Ay, pinasa. Ang ganda. Number 4, pinasa pa ulit. Oh! Sala lang. Ganda sana. Oh! Oh, may block yun. Ay, kinuha. Oh! May foul. 13. Second personal foul by number 13. 24.5 po natitira sa ating oras. First shot is good by number 6. Yan, ready jumper na. Second shot. Basket counts. Ganda naman. Parehas free throw. Pasok. Okay, number 24 receiving the ball. 20 seconds remaining our clock. Number 9 taking a shot. Bam! 3 points by number 9. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Talaga namang hindi pa naawa. Tapos na po ang ating first quarter. Okay, kanina ba ang bola? Dito tayo sa half court. Okay, pass to number 4. Dribbling the ball. Uy, grabe yung steal. Oh, number 9. Ayun. Sayang. Lumabas ang bola. Okay. Okay, number 4 again, dribbling the ball. Pumasok, ang ganda. Oh, taking the shot. Sala lang po. Same ball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Ang ganda ng steal, mga kaibigan. Oh, naku naman. Hindi pa na kompleto ang steal. Sayang. Okay lang yan. Number 4 again, dribbling the ball. Oy, luwag na luwag. Number 3, pinasa kay number 5. Layup. Oh! Oy, sayang. Okay, ganun di ba? Pinasa kay number 2. Pasa kay number 4. Pasa na kay number 2. Number 18. Ang ganda naman ng mga pasahang yun. Basket counts. Number 9, pinasa kay number 14. Okay. Wow. Bam! Number 9 for 3. Okay, number 4 again, dribbling. Nilayup. Basket counts by number 4. Okay, number 9, pinasa kay number 14. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 9, nalawag ulit. Sala na ngayon, sayang. Okay. Oh. Na-steal pa. Number 14. Uy, step. Yun. Sobrang pasa. Okay, number 2. Pinasa kay number 18. Okay, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 6. Tinira. Oh. Tayo. Green ball. Ang bola. Ingat po. Okay, number 9. May hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay number 5. Ang ganda naman ng fake na yun. Wala natin, tinira. Wala, diretso po yan. Number 2. Pinasa kay number... Oy, piripitar shooting lang yan. Okay, grabe naman yun. Nagano rebound. Nabubo. Sayang. Nabubo. Number 5. Sayang, sayang. Okay. Number 2, pinasa kay number... Taking the 3. Okay, ganun. Aray ko, nadali.
Tinamaan mo sa liig. Tinamaan mo sa liig.
Number 9, ang foul. Okay, first personal foul by number 9. Okay, number 6, taking the free throw. Counted yung unang tira na yun. Second free throw, red jumper. Yung number 13, taking the rebound. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 14. Number 9 again. Handling the ball. Number 14. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Ang ganda naman ng fake na yun. Bam! 3 points. By number 5. Oh, number 4. Pinasa po. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ay, basket counts. Napakalupit. No, number 14 again. Dribbling the ball. Binabantay po ni number 4. Pinaharas. Yon, still by number 4. Okay. Oh, foul. Time out. Time out. Barangay 7B. Ang may foul po kanina ay number 3. First personal foul by number 3. Okay. Okay, number 99. Pinapakita number 6. Uy, lumapit. Nilayap. Basket counts ng number 6. Number 3, pass to number 9. To number 3 again. Pass to number 5. Bilis. Oh, fake. Number 9. 13-second shot clock. Your 9 po. Oh. Okay, number 6, foul. First personal foul by number 6. Okay, number 14. Handling the ball. Pass to number 5, taking the 3. Sala lang po. Oh, number 9, nakuha. Number 13, pinasok. Uy. Yun. 99. Foul. Second personal foul by number 99. 43%. Yun. Number 9. May hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay number 5. 8-second shot clock. Naku, na-steal. Ayan. Abano ulit. Ang bilis. Oh, taking the shot. Bang! Counted. Number 11. Number 13. Pinasa agad. Ang bilis. Oh, ang bilis itong mga barangay bago nito. Oh. Ayan, steal again. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Oh, walang mapasahan. Yun. 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, number 11. 8 seconds shot clock. 99 taking the 3. Sala po. Ayun, may foul pa. Counted foul. 13 ang foul. Yung pong number 13 natin ay third personal foul. Okay. Bonus shot for number 6. Okay. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 9. Nabuko. Sayang. Pick up by number 2. Mambilis. Counter. Pasok. Oh, pass break to number 5. Oh. Crossover. Ay, ang ganda naman. Oh, ba naman. Napakalupit ang tira niya. Counted foul. Number 2. Number 2. First personal foul by number 2. Okay. Bonus shot for number 5. Rebound by number 2. Sayang yung bonus shot. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 6. Ang ganda ng pass sa ilalim by number 18. Oh, napakalupit. Ang lupit naman ng mga pasahan yun. Fast break. Grabe. Ang layo. Catch by number 5. Pag-isa. Oh. Hinintay ang mga kalampi. Yeah. Pass to number 3. 12 second shot clock. Number 5. 6 second shot clock. Wow, teardrop. Rebound by number 6. Number 11 again. Oh, mid-range jumper. Nilapit. Pinasa. Ay, sala. Oh, ayun, nakuha. Ayan, number 13, nakuha. Ang ganda na pasa kay number 3. Yo, nagdali. 2 and 15. Time remaining po natin sa ating quarter. Okay, 12 second shot clock. Ang ganda na pasa. Basket counts. Last 2 minutes. Iya. Ang ganda na pasa. Iya. Number 14. Di number 9 ulit. Pinasa kay number 5. Back to number 9. 3 points. Sana. Okay. Ang ganda na 3 points. Nilay-up. Grabe naman yan. Coast to coast. Okay. Pass to number 5. Taking the 3. Oh, sana. Walang tinamaan. Okay, number 2. The ball. Pass to number 11. Ang ganda naman ang alley-oop na yun. Yun. Yan, still in number 18. Okay. Inira. Oh, number 3, rebound. Naku, still ulit. Number 99, still. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Tinawid na po. Pass to number 99 again. Binalik kay number 11. Ubus oras. 12 second shot clock. Number 6, tinira sa 3. Rebound by number 99. 6 second shot clock. Ay, grabe naman yung slow mo. Ayun, maganda ng pasa kay number 6. Yo! Still, 99 again. $20 seconds remaining sa ating game, sa ating quarter. Ayan, sinabot. Oh, pinasa. Ang ganda ng pasang yun. Oh, ang ganda naman ng fake na yun. Number 9, na-rebound pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Aba, may counted foul. Number 9 ang foul. 99, sorry. Ayun, third personal foul sa ating number 99. Bonus shot po para kay number 9 natin. Ang remaining time po sa ating quarter ay 5.5 seconds. So, bilisan na ito. Yun. Number 2. Pinasa pa. Abo. Okay. Tapos na po ang ating first half. Score po natin, 45. Nakahanda na maghabol ang ating Barangay 7B. Yan. Napakalupit. Okay. Number 15. Dribbling the ball. Pass number 13. Oh, ano ba yun? Pasa? Tira. Pasa yata. Ayan, laki number 5 na. Aba. Ayun, number 4 again. Nilayap. Sinubo. Okay. Yun, binato. Number 13. Taking the shot. Bam! 3 points by number 13. Yeah, number 4 po ulit. Nagdi-dribble. Yeah. Pass to number 19. To number 5. Taking the shot. Sala lang po. Okay, number 5. Again. Ang ganda naman ng dribble na yun. Takbo. Walang makakita. Same ball. Same ball. Okay. 14-second shot lang, mga kaibigan. Inuon na. Foul. Number 8. First personal foul by number 8. Taking the shot again. Okay. Okay, go. 4-second shot clock. Abot. Yeah, rebound by number 13. Pass to number 4. Oy, sinubo na ulit. Ayun, counted by number 4. Okay, number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 3, 15-second shot clock. Ang ganda naman ang dribble na yun. Ay, naku, sayang. Foul. Number 8. Second. Ayun, pinasa. Haba. Ay, luwag na naman. Bam! 2 points? 2 points. Okay, 2 points lang po yun. Number 5. Wow. smooth na smooth. Counted by number 5. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Ayan, na-steal po. Ang ganda. Ay, akala ko shoot na. Rebound by number 5. Luag na luag. Wow, sinubo. Number 5 ang nakashoot. Ang lupit. Yeah, number 4, dribbling the ball. Wow, sinubo na ulit ni number 4. Ang lupit. Number 9 again, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. 15 seconds, shot clock. Yung pinasa kay number 5. Ang ganda ng paint. Wow naman. Oh, sala lang. Rebound by number 30. Okay, number 19. Ang ganda naman ng pasang yun. Number 5. Oh, ay, naku, sala. Yan, nilabas kay number 4. Aba, tumira. Ay, walang tinamaan. Yan, substitution po, ref. Hindi po, pasok lang po at lumabas ang lalabas. Yan. Time remaining, 6:30 sa ating quarter. Oh, ay, ang ganda naman. Oh, stepping. Sayang naman yung steal na yun. Sayang yung steal, ano? Okay, 18 seconds po sa shot clock. Steal again. Ayan, si number 4. Ito na ulit. Ayun, na-steal naman yung number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 9 again. Pass to number 5. 15 second shot clock. Tinira. Ayun, wala ding tinamaan. Okay, number 4 again. Ito na. Oh, yung ganda naman na pasan. Ito number 30. Oh, number 4 again. Ay, aliyo. Napakalupit naman nun. Yan na. Oh, wala pong tao doon. Yan, lumabas ang bola. Yan. Substitution rin. Sub po, sub. Salamat po sa nalimot ng bola. Baseline inbound tayo. Nilabas. Yung pass to number 5. Taking the shot. Bang! 3 points by number 5. Oh, number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Pinasa kay number 13. Okay, number 14. Pass to number 13. Taking the shot. Sala. Uy, ganda naman ang rebound mo. Grabe. Number 5, counted. Lupit mo. Yun, pinasa. Pass break na. Oh, taking the shot. Bang! Counted. Number 5, yung tumira yun. 14, pass to number 5. To number 13. Oh. Pass to number 13, taking the shot. Oh, wala din pong tinamaan. Number 4. Oh, dribbling the ball. Aba, sinubo. Counted po. Si number 14 ang may dala ng bola. Pinasa ni number 5. 12 second shot clock. Number 13. Dribbling the ball. Ang ganda ng pasang yun, no? Ayun. Oh, there's a foul. 30. No. May foul. Second personal foul by number 30. Substitution po. Yan. So, 2 shots for number 24. Yung pasok po, unang tira. Okay, second shot. Ready jumper. Ay, sayang. Okay, number 4 again. Dribbling the ball. Tinatawid po, bola. Naghaharap ng papasahan. Yung yung nabubo. Sayang. Okay, babawi. Bawi. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Yung, pass to number 13. 15 seconds. Shot clock. To make si number 14. Oh, ang ganda ng dribble. Number 13 again. Tinira po sa dribble. Number 5 for the rebound. Pass to number 4. Uy. Yan. Backcourt. Yan. Substitution po. Backcourt violation po tayo doon. Okay, pinasa ulit. Yung number 99. Okay, number 5. Number 11, taking the shot. Oy, ganda naman ang tao na yun. Number 11 again. Yung sumot na sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Okay. Wow, shuffle lang po mga kaibigan. Pass to number 13. Oh, 5 to shoot. Bilisan. Abot. Yung tumama sa ring. Ay, na-rebound ni number 5. 10-second shot clock. Oh, ayun. Fast break. Number 11. Sinubo na po. Time remaining. 1 minute and 10. Substitution. Ayan. Time remaining po natin sa ating quarter. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay, number 24. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 13. Pasa kay number 14. 10-second shot clock. Ay, na-steal. Grabe naman yun. Ang ganda, alok. Number 18, sinubo sa ring. Okay. 50 seconds remaining. Dire-diretso na po yan. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. Oh. Pass to number 5. 15-second shot clock. Number 5, taking a shot. Ay, in and out. Number 13, tinira ulit. Ay, wala pa rin. Okay. 20 seconds remaining. Number 11, pinasa ulit. Oh. Laba, same ball. 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining po sa ating quarter. Okay, number 11. Pass to number 5. Taking the shot. Oh, rebound pa. Ang ganda na pasa. Number 18 again. Sinubo po. Hala na pa yan. Okay. After 3 quarters, ang score po natin, 70-40 in favor of Barangay Ibabaw. Pwede na po mag-ready ang ating last game. Barangay 7A versus Barangay Emmanuel. Okay, ito na po, last quarter. Yan. Okay. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Ang ganda na pasa kay number 5. Go. Same ball. 16 seconds shot clock, mga kaibigan. 16 seconds lang po. Number 2. Warning for delaying the game. Oh, ayan. Ay, naku, nakita ni Rep. Kitang-kita. Stepping si Kuya. Okay lang, bawi tayo next time. Napakalinaw ng mata po ng ating mga referee. Kahit po yan eh. Yung. Ayan, pass to number 9. 16 seconds, shot clock. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5. Naku po. Sayang. Ayan, number 11. Nagdi-dribble po. Guarded by number 5. Oh. Yun, nabubudin. Nabubudin po. Ayan, number 13. Pinasa kay number 14. Okay, diretso lang. Number 13, pass to number 5. 12 second shot clock. Number 13, taking the shot. Sala po, rebound. Yun. Kita number. Teardrop. Wow, naman ganda na rebound. Number 24, sala pa rin. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 5. Layup. May foul. Anong nangyayari? Number 5, foul. First personal foul by number 5. 2 shots. Bonus. 2 shots pala for number 5. First shot. Sala to. Ayan. Last shot. Okay. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 5. Ang ganda na pasan. Taking the shot. Bam! Rio. Ang lupit. Nakita niya pa yung ring doon. Kalagay na yun. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Hinaharas po ni number 99. Number 24. Binalik po kay number 13. 9 second shot clock. Pass to number 24. Oh! Ano nangyari? Ay, nahubo ang sapatos. Ayan, kailangan po sige pa na sintas. First personal foul. Ayan. 24. First personal foul. First personal foul then green. Number 24. Ayan. 2 shots for number 24 yan. Yung basket counts. Second shot na po. Ready jumper. Oh, sala. Green ball. Okay, number 2. Pinasa kay number 11. Taking the shot again. Oh, sala mo. Rebound number 9. Number 5, iyo na yan, lumipad. Ay, grabe, sala. Sayang. Oh. Ayan, si number 5 naman dito sa kabila. Oh. Ayan, number 2. Pass to number 99. 15 seconds, shot clock. Ang ganda sa gitna. Ayun. Pasa kay number 11. Number 24, taking a shot. Counted by number 24. Okay. We're past 7 minutes na po sa ating quarter. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Oh!
CJ.
Ay, na-rebound po ulit yung number 24. Grabe naman ang mga kamay na yan. Number 5. Pass to number 24. Ay, grabe naman yun. Binali. Counted. Napakalupit. Number 2. Handling the ball. Hop. Ayaw. Purple po. Bula. Ayan. Okay. Number 5 na rin nagdadala ng bolang ito. Ayaw. Diretso na ba? Iyon. Blocking foul by number 2. Second personal foul by number 2. Okay, 14 seconds po tayo sa shot clock natin. Pinasa kay number 9. Oh, block po yun. Malinaw na malinaw. That's a block shot by number 2. 7 seconds po ang natitira sa shot clock. 7 segundo. Number 14. 5 seconds shot clock. Oh. Violation. Shot clock violation. Okay. Ayun, na-steal yung number 5. Na-steal. Yung sinubo ay counted foul pa. Foul number 2. Third personal foul by number 2. Time out! Barangay Ibabaw. and 35. 5 minutes and 35. Yan po ang natitira oras sa ating kwarto. Yan. Bonus shot by number 5. Yung rebound by number 18. Pass to number 11. Ang ganda naman ng pasang yun. Wala na pa nakakita. Yo! Binit siya na. Ay! Layo. Sayang. Sayang. Baseline. Inbound. Okay, number 11. Pass to number 99. Taking the shot. Hindi po tumama sa ring yun. Okay. Sa kabilaban po ang bola.
Sakto 5 minutes.
5 minutes remaining. Sakto. 13. Pass to number 5. To number 13. Tinira ulit. Tres. Yun. Bilis. Number 2. Oh. Ayan. Nakuha po niya. Number 18. Sinubo. Counted. By number 18. Pinili siya. Oh. Number 5. Tumit. Uy naman, Yoyo, ang bola. Ay, na-steal pa ni number 5. Ang ganda na pasa. Sinubo. Ay, counted by number 9. Ayan, sige, diretso po. Number 11 again, dribbling the ball. Ang ganda naman ng pasa yun. Ay, number 11, taking the shot. Pasok na pasok. Okay, number 9. Pinasa kay number 14. Pass to number 9. Walang mapasahan. Yung number 13. Tinira po sa tres. Tapos. Number 2. Oh. Number 18. Ay, ganda naman ang topic na yun. Still. Number 14. Ang ganda naman. Still pa rin. Puro still ang nangyayari. Number 11. Taking the shot. Oh. Ang ganda na rebound. Oh. Yan. Sinubo ni number 11. Number 14 again, dribbling the ball. Yo, pasok. Yo, again, pass to number 11. Nag-uubos lang sila ng oras sa pagkakataong yan. Number 99, teardrop, Sala. Yo, na-rebound ni number 5.
Yan ang pumasok. Ayos ka lang.
Wow. Ay, naman. Hindi pa naawa.
Pas lagi ang mga
Okay, number 2 again.
papatay lang.
Perimeter jump. Pasok. Number 2. Galing. Naku. Iyo, counted. Number 18.
Sap.
Okay.
No.
Substitution. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, pass to number 5 to number 9. Taking the 3. Sala. Eto, number 4 again. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa po kay number 99. Perimeter jump. Sala. Number 9. Na-rebound. Oh, nagkamakit.
Sinason.
Ayan.
Son.
Ayan. Pass to number 9. To number 13. Ay, Sala. Last 2 minutes! Number 4. Yung pinasa kay number 24. Ayos na. Ay, akala ko, ayos na. Number 14. Teardrop. Okay, number 8. Nilayap. Pasok. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to number 13, to number 14. Pass to number 5. Oh, yung ganda naman ng turnaround down. Layup. Ayun, sinubo na din para sigurado. Yan. Number 4 again on the dribble. Ay, kapos. Ayan. Yun na. Ay, na-steal number 99. 1 minute. Eksakto. Hop. Ayun, sinubo na din. To number 5. Oh, ano yung crossover? Oh, number 13, wala pa. Ayan, na-steal pa yung number 5. Oy, my foul committed by number 18. 18. Foul po number 18. First personal foul ni number 18. Grabe, first personal pa lang yun. First shot by number 5. First shot. Okay, second shot. Yung basket counts. Parehas. 30 seconds, mga kaibigan, ang natitira. Yan, number 4. Nag-uubos na lang po ng oras yan. Pinasa kay number 8. To 24. Ay, sala. Yung, pass break na po ulit. 12 seconds remaining. Ay, umikot na ulit. Oh! Step back. Walang tinamaan. Okay. Game ball. Our score, 91-53. In favor of Barangay Ibabaw. Nice game po sa dalawang team. Nice game. Congrats po sa Barangay Ibabaw.